Hello students of class 5. This is the fifth part of my video lecture on chapter number 3. I hope you have seen part 1, 2 and 3. If you haven't, go through with those 3 parts and the fourth also, and then come to this fifth part of my video lecture. In this part, we are going to learn customizing desktop and desktop gadgets. So what is customizing desktop? When we are using this desktop screen, we can change the background, we can change the color, we can change the picture at the background, and many more things we can do with the desktop. Let's see, without wasting time, how do we do customizing the desktop? It's very simple. Just follow my instruction and see the screen very carefully. Simply click on any blank area on the desktop. I clicked right button from mouse and then look for option personalize. So I go on personalize, the last one, and I'm clicking on it. Maybe because of screen and camera it's little blur, but if you follow the steps like personalize the last column, this is the last column, and I'm clicking on that with the left click, and when I'm clicking, the screen changes, and with this change on screen you can see many more options like changing desktop icon, changing mouse pointers, change your account picture, the picture by which you log into Windows 7, as well as you can set up the background pictures also. Let's work with some theme. Currently it is Windows 7 theme, and I'm going to change the theme and going to show you. So here I go for landscape. I'm choosing the landscape. When I'm clicking on it, it's working, and to see the effect, how did this screen change, I have to just close this, and I have to close it by using the close button, which is here at the corner. And just hold on, let me just put my screen like this so you can see. This is at the end. Now you can see at the end here, and I'm just closing. Now you might have observed my previous screen was something else. Now this is totally changed. It did not change only the background picture, but did change the taskbar color and other stuff also. So by clicking, right click anywhere in the blank area, you can choose personalize, and in personalize you just go through whatever you want. You can make the changes. This is all which you have to do it practically so you can understand it much better. Now we are going to understand how to change the color, how to set up the active title bar, how to set the advanced appearance setting, Windows color and appearance, color intensity, the color mixture, like you want to make it bright, a little saturation or hue color, that you all can do by personalize option in Windows 7. Hope you are understanding what I'm trying to explain you. Now the next topic is, I'm just closing it, and now the next topic is desktop gadget. That's the last topic of this chapter, And with that topic, we are going to complete the chapter number 3. Students, you have to prepare for your examination the exercises which are given at the back of every chapter. For example, I'm just bringing you on the screen here. The brain developer, and do all these exercises in a copy. First, you can do it in your textbook, and then you can copy it in your copy, so you will able to revise it. And these are quite good questions and very useful to understand. Okay, now we are going to understand how to use gadgets. What is this desktop gadget? Windows contains many programs called gadgets, and they are very useful for calculation, for date and time. There are many things which I'm going to explain. It is talking about calendar, clock, central processing unit, meter, currency, weather, many more things which you will be required when you will grow younger, because with your age you will be needing more things. Right now you don't require so many things, but you will require all those things definitely when you reach in higher classes. So how do you add gadgets in your desktop? Once again, come on desktop, and just in any empty area, you have to bring your mouse pointer and right click. Look how I'm doing. Right click. And in right click, you have to look for option gadgets. You will find gadgets just above the personalize. Second last from top, but sorry, yes, it's here. And now click on gadgets. When you click on gadgets, it will open calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow, weather, Windows Media. I think right now you will be requiring calendar, clock, and maybe if you want to have a little fun, you can go for the picture puzzle. So if you click on calendar, first one, you can see calendar is appeared on the screen. It is showing 7th of August 2020. If you want to add clock on your desktop, you can simply double click on it. When you are using double click, use your left mouse button. Look, it is here. And picture puzzle, if you want to click, you want to have some fun time, then click the picture puzzle, and now you can play here just like we play puzzles. Okay, you can set up, and this normally people do for time pass when they have nothing to do. It's just to play. To make a note that I'm not a very smart computer player, so even I'm not interested to play the games on computer, and at the same time I tell you not to waste your time also to play game all the time. So this way you can just entertain yourself when you are a bit tired or something. So this was all about gadgets, and hope you understood what I have explained. And with this, the chapter is going to complete. See you once again with chapter number 4. Thank you. Stay safe and prepare your question and answers from Brain Developer, which is an exercise with every chapter, with chapter number 3 also. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.